Lesson 87, Collective Nouns. Hello and welcome to this lesson. Today, we're going to talk about collective nouns, words we use to describe a group of the same people, animals, or things. These nouns are very common in English, and understanding them will help you describe groups more naturally and precisely. So, let us get started. People. First, let us look at some collective nouns for groups of people. A group of people. This usually refers to a smaller number of people. A crowd of people. This refers to a large number of people. A gang of thieves. This is used for a group of criminals, and it has a rather negative meaning. Words associated with certain animals. Different animals have specific collective nouns. Here are some common ones. A flock of sheep or birds, for example, a flock of geese or pigeons. A herd of cows, deer, or goats. A shoal of fish, or any particular fish, such as a shoal of herring or mackerel. Note that we use the singular form of the fish name here. A swarm of insects, typically flying ones, like a swarm of bees or gnats. A pack can be used for dogs, hyenas, wolves, and so on. It is also used for playing cards, a pack of cards. People involved in the same job or activity. These collective nouns can be used with singular or plural verbs, depending on your point of view, whether you are thinking of the group as a single unit or as individual members. A team of reporters or rescue workers. A team of reporters were at the scene of the disaster. The crew. The workers on a ship, ambulance, or plane. The crew were saved when the ship sank. The company. A group of actors. The company are rehearsing a new production. The cast, the actors in a film or theater production. The cast are all amateurs. The public, the people as a whole. The public have a right to know the truth. The staff, a general word for groups who share a place of work, such as teachers in a school or people in an office. The staff are on strike. It is normally used with a plural verb. Physical features of landscapes. Collective nouns are also used to describe physical features in landscapes. For example, in the picture, we can see a row of cottages near a clump of trees, with a range of hills in the background. Out on the lake, there is a small group of islands. Things in general. Finally, here are some collective nouns used for things in general. A pair of birds sitting on a branch. This means two of anything that are the same. A couple of strawberries. This is a vague way of saying two, not necessarily exactly the same. A pile or heap of papers, clothes, dishes, toys, and so on. A bunch of flowers, grapes, bananas, and so on. A stack of chairs, tables, boxes, logs, and so on. A set of tools, pots and pans, dishes, and so on. So, that is our lesson on collective nouns. These words will help you describe groups of people, animals, and things more precisely and naturally in English.